Hi, this is Ned from Pro Tips, and I'm going to show you how to replace a light fixture. First thing we want to do is test the hot, which is going to be black or red, and it is live right now. The white is neutral. Now we're going to turn off the breaker, and we are good to go, as you can see. So this is a crossbar that comes with the light. Normally has a threaded rod that comes through the center, and there's a flathead green screw. This is for the ground, and then you get a couple screws, and this goes into the electrical box in the ceiling. There's two screw holes on the corners of the electrical box, and you're going to screw these long screws into that. Now, after that, you're going to attach the canopy faceplate, and then the nut goes on top of this. The wires going down through the center. I'm going to show you how to do all that right now. So I've already measured. This blue tape represents the bottom where the plate's going to be, right there. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this wire, because I know I don't need that much. Now I'm going to slide down the nut, then the canopy faceplate, and then the crossbar. I'm going to tie the top of the crossbar. Just want to check and make sure that this wire is not live before I attach it. Ready to rock and roll. Get my neutrals. Same situation. Again, wrapping around the wires. Then I'm going to wrap around the cap. Then I'm coming back down around the wires again. That's it. Pull these guys, push them up inside. ground's already attached right here. And push this up. Nut. And we're ready. Let's turn it on. See what happens. Alright, I love this light. It's a nice Herman Miller hanging light that we just installed here. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment. My name is Ned from Pro Tips. I'm going to leave the tools and supplies in the description box below. And again, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.